Hey, this is Ish, and in this video I will share my travels with you. Let me show you around my room during my stay at the Hotel RIU Palace Tropical Bay in Negril, Jamaica. Tropical Bay is a 24-hour all-inclusive resort with free Wi-Fi, right on the beach, 3 pools, and amazing food. When we arrived at the hotel, the sun had already set, but the staff kindly greeted us with a drink to welcome us. After checking in at the front desk, someone from the hotel got a cart, loaded our luggage, took us up to our room, and showed us around our home for the next few days. Our room was on the 2nd floor and we had to climb a few steps to get to it. To access the room, you needed to use your key card. Next to the door is a slot to keep the lights on when a room key or card is inserted. It's a power saving measure, and when we arrived in the room, there was a white card already there, so we didn't have to use our room key. We stayed in a junior suite garden view with 2 double beds, a satellite television, free Wi-Fi, artwork, a comfortable couch, a table, and 2 chairs. During our stay, the housekeeping and staff were great answering our questions and ensuring we always had everything we needed. For the tour, let's start in the closet. There was one on the left and one on the right. There you have the standards that come at most hotels: a digital safe, steam iron, ironing board, and an umbrella, which luckily we didn't have to use during our stay. The minibar section of the room had a fridge stocked with water, soda, and red swipe beer. It was replenished daily. There were beverage dispensers, which we didn't use during our stay, but was a nice touch, and there was also a coffee machine. In the bathroom, there was a RIU floor rug leading into a spacious walk-in shower. Two sinks, a blow dryer mounted to the wall, and of course, a toilet. Our guest stay included other standard amenities like body wash and soap at no extra charge. Alright, let's move away from the inside to the balcony. Our balcony had 2 comfortable chairs, a table, and a rack to hang any clothes or towels to dry. From our room, we had a view of one of the pools and a partial view of the beach. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you stayed at the Tropical Bay or plan to. Next, if you want to see another amazing hotel room tour or hear my review of the RIU Tropical Bay, I created those 2 videos on the screen, so check them out. My name is Ish, and I challenge you to go out there and have a new experience today. Thanks for watching.